Question number 8. The first term of the geometric progression is 10. This geometric progression has the positive common ratio. We know that in geometric progression, first term is a, then ar, then ar square, and it moves up to the nth term, which is ar to the power of n minus 1. And this nth term is gn. We will use g for the geometric progression terms. The first term of the arithmetic progression is also 10. This arithmetic progression has the negative common difference d. So in arithmetic progression, we have a, then a plus d, then a plus 2d, and it's moved up to the nth term, which is a plus n minus 1 times d. So nth term is an. In the arithmetic progression, both has the first term a is equals to 10 and same a is equals to 10 in the arithmetic progression. Now the second term of the geometric progression is same as fourth term of the arithmetic progression. Second term of geometric progression means g2 is same as fourth arithmetic progression means a4. Similarly, the third term of the geometric progression means g3 is same as the sixth term of the arithmetic progression means a6. Find the value of r and d. So we can use these statements to find the value of r and d. So it is given that second term of the geometric progression is equals to the fourth term of the arithmetic progression a. Similarly, third term of the geometric progression is equals to the sixth term of the arithmetic progression, which means g3 is equals to a6. Now we know that nth term of geometric progression is equals to gn is equals to ar to the power of n minus 1. We need to find g2 and g3. So when n is equals to 2, gn means g2 is equals to a, which is 10 times r to the power of n minus 1 means 2 minus 1. So g2 is equals to 10r. Similarly, we need to find the g3. So n is equals to 3. So g3 is equals to 10 because a is 10 and r to the power of n minus 1 means r to the power of 3 minus 1. So g3 is equals to 10r square. This is a geometric progression. Now we know that nth term of the arithmetic progression is a plus n minus 1. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 times d. And we need to find the a4 and a6. So n is equals to 4 and first term of the arithmetic progression is also 10. So n means a4 is equals to a, which is 10 plus n minus 1 means 4 minus 1 times d. So a4 is equals to 10 plus 3d. Similarly, we need to find a6. So n is equals to 6. So a6 is equals to a plus 10 plus n minus 1 means 6 minus 1 times d. So a6 is equals to 10 plus 5d. So plugging the values of g2, g3, a4, a6, then r is equals to a4, which is 10 plus 3d. This is the equation 1. Similarly, g3 is 10r square is equal to a6, which is 10 plus 5d. And this one is equation 2. We need to find the value of r and d. So we can solve these two equations simultaneously to find the value of r and d. So if we multiply equation 1 by 5, so it will be 50r is equals to 50 plus 15d. And if we multiply equation 2 by 3, so we will have 3 times 10 is 30r square is equals to 30 plus 15d. Now subtract this equation from this equation. So we will have 30r square is equals to 30 plus 15d minus 50r is equals to 50 plus 15d. Subtracting, so this one will be cancelled out and we will have 30r square minus 50r equals to 30 minus 50, and this one is equals to negative 20. So we will have 30r square minus 50r plus 20 equal to 0. Taking 10 common, we will have 3r square minus 5r plus 2 equal to 0. So we have the quadratic equation, which is 3r square minus 5r plus 2 equal to 0, and this quadratic equation can be solved by factorization. So this equation can be written as 3r square minus 2r minus 3r plus 2 equal to 0. Taking r common, so we will have 3r minus 2. Taking negative 1 common, we will have 3r minus 2 equal to 0. So we have 2 factor r minus 1 times 3r minus 2 equal to 0. We have 2 factor equating each with 0. We will have r minus 1 equal to 0, and in this case r is equal to 1. On the other side, 3r minus 2 equal to 0, and in this case r is equal to 2 over 3. For geometric progression, r cannot be 1, so we will ignore it. So we will use r is equals to 2 over 3, which is also the positive. Now plug this value of r in equation 1. We will have 10r is equals to 10 plus 3d. 10r means 10 times 2 over 3 is equals to 10 plus 3d, and 3d is equals to 20 over 3 minus 10. So 3d is equals to 20 minus 30 over 3. So for the solving, we will have 3d is equals to negative 10 over 3, which is equals to d is equals to negative 10 over 9. So the difference is negative 10 over 3 or 9, which was required. And also the d is negative. Part B, determine whether the geometric progression has sum to infinity. We know that geometric progression has a common ratio which is equals to 2 over 3, and this one is less than 1. For the existence of sum to infinity, the common ratio should be, absolute value of the common ratio should be less than 1. And we know that 2 over 3 is less than 1, so geometric progression will have sum to infinity.